Shapes. Word 2016 has a set of built-in shapes that you can use in your documents. You can resize, rotate, flip, and add color in shapes.
The Shapes command contains several categories of shapes, like lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, flowchart, stars and banners, and callouts.
Drawing a shape. To draw a shape from the Shapes menu, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click on the Shapes command in the Illustrations group. A drop-down list appears with all the shapes that you can insert in your document. Step 3. Select any shape from the available shapes. Step 4. Drag the pointer in the document area to draw the selected shape and release the mouse button when the shape is of the desired size. Inserting text in a shape. You can also insert text in the shape. To do so, follow these steps. Step 1. Right-click inside the shape. A sub-menu appears. Step 2. Select Add Text option. The cursor will appear inside the shape. Step 3. Type the text and then click anywhere on the screen outside the shape. The text appears in the shape.
Changing outline color of a shape.
Follow these steps to change the color of the outline of a shape. Step 1. Click on the shape to select it. Step 2. Click on the Format tab. Step 3. Click on the Shape Outline command. A drop-down menu appears.
Step 4. Choose the outline color from the Theme Colors drop-down menu.